Ever wondered how your computer components connect and communicate? Well, it's quite a fascinating journey through a web of standards that have evolved over time. In the early days of computing, the parallel port was a common method for connecting devices like printers. It was aptly named for its ability to transmit multiple bits of data simultaneously along parallel channels. However, it had a few drawbacks. The parallel port was bulky, required many wires, and had a short effective distance. Plus, it was susceptible to interference because of the parallel nature of the data transmission. Then came the RS-232 standard, a serial communication method that was once the go-to for most peripherals. The RS-232 sent data sequentially, one bit after another, which allowed for longer distances and less interference. However, it was relatively slow, and the advent of more powerful devices demanded faster data transmission rates. Enter USB, or Universal Serial Bus. USB has become the gold standard for connecting computer peripherals in the modern era. It's versatile, supporting data transfer rates that are exponentially faster than its predecessors. Additionally, USB's hot swappable capability, meaning you can plug or unplug devices without restarting your computer, is a major advantage. However, USB isn't without its cons. It requires a host device to manage the connection, which can limit its use in some scenarios. Now, if you're a multimedia enthusiast or a professional video editor, you're likely familiar with the IEEE 1394, also known as FireWire. FireWire is a high-speed interface that can handle large amounts of data at once, making it ideal for tasks that require high bandwidth like video editing or transferring large files. Yet, it's not as commonly found on computers as USB ports, which can make compatibility an issue. When it comes to connecting monitors, VGA and DVI have been popular choices. VGA, or Video Graphics Array, is an analog interface. It's been a reliable workhorse for many years, but it's gradually being phased out due to the superiority of digital interfaces like DVI, or Digital Visual Interface. DVI offers a sharper, cleaner image and can handle higher resolutions. However, both VGA and DVI are being replaced by newer standards like HDMI and DisplayPort, which offer even higher performance and integrated audio support. So, you see, each standard has its unique strengths and weaknesses. The parallel port and RS-232 paved the way for modern interfaces, each solving problems of their predecessors. USB has become the jack of all trades, providing high-speed, versatile connections for a myriad of devices. FireWire has carved out a niche for high-bandwidth applications, while VGA and DVI have dominated the video interface world until more recent advancements. In this ever-evolving technological landscape, who knows what the future holds? But one thing remains certain: the quest for faster, more efficient ways to connect and communicate between computer components will never cease. And with each new standard, we move one step closer to that ultimate goal.